guys, this is part 3. Dude, why are you so low? Oh my gosh, we're gonna go on the train. Dang! That's an angry face.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Casa de Chuchu. For your safety, please remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the cars at all times.
Okay.
Thank you. All aboard.
Heck. That doesn't sound like that is a train. Bye! Bye! It's not scary. You're scary. Big old face. Whee! Whoa! This thing is freaking me out right now. No, it's not. It's creeping me out.
The history of Casa de Fruita goes back to 1908, when Italian immigrants settled here and they started planting orchards. They planted cherries, pears, apricots, rose, and wine.
There's a lot of tractors. Whoa.
Throughout the park, you see antique farm equipment, and some of this equipment dates back to 1908.
Windmill. Can you see it? Find a
In
windmill.
1940, the
Found
three
it.
Singer brothers, who were teenagers at the time, opened a fruit stand here, and they named it Casa de Fruita. Eventually, they expanded to 7 fruit stands. What
Damn.
you see here today at Casa de Fruita is what has developed from the original fruit stand from 1940.
There's a lot of things here. Alex, just be calm. Obviously, they want to kill you. Damn!
The yellow truck on your left is an old army truck. It dates back to the Korean War.
Take a picture, man. I'm gonna get go. Do you want to die, buddy? Well, do you?
On your right is the Pacheco Creek. In the early 1900s, water from the creek was used to irrigate the orchard.
Get the leaves! I can't get the leaves! Ah, there was a raccoon. I'll take red one. No trespassing. We are gonna trespass again. You guys, I think I might have to end the video here. Well, bye! I guess I'll see you later. I guess it's goodbye. But I love it. Please come to Casa de Fruita, okay? Because I've been here 3 times already. This is my 3rd time. Okay? I only have 20 seconds left. Yeah, there's a lake. But you can't see you because of the... You didn't touch me! Okay, bye. See you later. Thumbs up, subscribe, and like my other friends. Bye. Mariah, Arnold, and Mariana.